Are you a English learner? Then there should be three apps in your mobile phone. Welcome again to another helpful video. Here you will get to know about the three best app that will help you to learn English at home. But before getting into the apps, I want to share something with you friends. Some of my Hindi medium friends, they asked me that is there any app, is there any source that can help them to learn English? Friends, I want to let them know who all have such queries. I have also faced this issue when I started learning English, and I used to feel disappointed. And I have shared that problem with one of my cousin. He is living in a city, and he I have shared that I want to learn English, but I am not getting any source, any app to learn English. Then he suggested me that use an incredible app that will help you to learn English a lot. And he told me that use that app at least 1 week, then share your experience with me. And I have used that app, and now it's the time to tell you about that app. You might have heard about that app. The app name is Duolingo. This is really a helpful app. This is the perfect app for them who make excuses that how can I learn English? I am from a Hindi medium. I have never been to English medium school. I can't learn English. Don't make such type of excuses, friend. There is an app that will help you to learn English. I will say to you, this app is totally suitable for you, and this app is available free of cost. You can download it from your Google Play Store, okay, and you can use this app. It will ask you some questions like about your level and why you want to learn English, about the requirements, like you want to learn English for job or for normal communication, so that it can make plans according to your requirements and levels. So definitely you would have to fill such things, then you can go ahead, okay. And another feature is it will ask you about time, how many minutes you want to devote to learn English. And for Hindi medium students, for Hindi medium friends who want to learn English, actually it will ask you that do you want to learn English with the help of Hindi. If you tick yes, then you can learn English with the help of Hindi, okay. And it is really a best app to learn English. And learning English is really going to be fun on this application. You can play games and quizzes on this application. After finishing one game, you can reach to other game, okay. And the other feature of this app is you can learn other languages like Korean and Spanish if you want to learn with the help of Duolingo. And the next app is English conversation app. You can create conversation, you can be able to create conversation in your mind with the help of this app. You can start thinking that how you can make a conversation in your mind, because there are many conversation uploaded on this app, like there are conversation to related to events, related to work, related to family, related to trips and vacation. If I talk about the first category, like first thing, like there is trip and vacation, okay. There is conversation available on trips and vacation. There are 20 conversation. You will see there, you can practice, you can listen that conversation, you can play quiz related to that conversation, and you can record that, and you can listen that over and over again with the help of this application. So I will say to you that must go for this application, English conversation app, that will help you, that will help you immensely to create conversation in English, and that will compel you to think in English. For speaking English or for speaking any language, it is important to think in English. Okay, so go for that app. And the next incredible app is Cake. Don't think it is a real cake. Okay, it is the name of the application, Cake. Here you will get many words to speak English. Here you will get grammar lessons to speak English. You will get lessons related to tenses, and you will get videos, realistic videos. With the help of that videos, you can learn English, and there is option to repeat those videos again and again. You can watch those videos with subtitle. Okay, and there is no need to visit YouTube, because YouTube show lot of contents, so you can get confused. So the Cake is really helpful app to learn English with cartoonist videos, with friends episode. There are some available, some episodes are available of friends, so you can learn English with the cartoon cartoon videos, with the episodes, and with the videos of movies. Okay, and vocabs are also there. So I think it is the good app for you, and the best app for you to learn English. Go for this app. This is about the apps, friends, and thank you for watching my video, friends. Bye.